want to use Claude with Notion, in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to Notion step by step. So let's get started. At first, open a browser, then simply go to Claude AI. Okay, you can simply type Claude.ai and then go to the Claude website. You can see I am on the Claude interface. From here, you will click this profile icon and then go to settings. Now, here you will find connectors, and here you can see all the connectors I already integrate with my Claude account. And right now, if you want to connect new connector like Notion, you will simply click this add, then browse connectors. And now here all the available connectors is here. You will simply find Notion or simply search Notion here. You can see Notion official plugin is available here. Simply click this plus icon and now it's connecting to Notion. It will redirect to a new page where you need to connect with Notion MCP. So simply click continue and here it's connected. Now you can use it. For example, if you want to use it here, if you just click this plus icon and then go to connectors, here you can see Notion is available here. You can simply try to use Notion directly inside Claude and you can just make your notes, enhance markdown specification, view configuration DSL, or create Notion page directly from this interface.